And here comes our guy. He's trying to line it up. We've got the trailer back down, so he's just trying to get the boat on the trailer at this point. Let's see how he fares as he goes. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Point Marina. So Cap's going to try and swing her around. Actually kind of been struggling, and the reason I'm going to say this and kind of point it out up front is obviously we're loading it onto a trailer and he's already missed once, or we wouldn't be out here. So they let him go from the dock. He tried to get on, couldn't quite line it up, backed all the way out to try and reset himself, and so far the reset's taken quite a bit of time and not been very pretty. But if you look off in the back, the distance, you're going to see the trees. The wind is blowing today, which always makes it just a little more difficult down here. So here we go, coming back in on another final approach, trying to land this one on the trailer. Keeps looking back at the motor for some reason. Maybe he's having some kind of mechanical issue. I mean, it looks like it's on. But once again, we're looking back at the motor. Nice slow roll approach. Got somebody at the front of the trailer trying to guide him on. And now he's kind of stopped and he's brake checking it again, so I'm assuming he doesn't like the line that he has. We're gonna back out one more time. Now, there's nothing wrong with this approach, guys. If you're approaching your trailer and you don't like the way things are setting up, I fully agree with completely resetting. It's easier than trying to make corrections, especially right at the trailer, if you've got to make some big corrections. Minor corrections, not so bad. All right, coming in a little hotter this time, so I think our guy's committing this time. Still looking back for some reason, though. So our guy at the trailer telling him to come forward. He's getting sideways here at the end. And no, he's going to get sideways over the trailer. Now he's in panic mode. Our guy on the trailer has to jump off. Oh no, he just ran the trailer over. You can see the motor hit the trailer. His buddy, quick thinking, is running and jumping on the dock to push him off. And I'd be cautious if I was this boat. I can't believe he just ran the trailer over. When you saw that, I mean, he goes over the top, motor bounces, boat bounces. And we'll have another quick look at this one, and we're going to slow it down just a little bit. Here you can see this is the point in time where things get out of hand. Cap goes into panic mode, winds up hitting the throttle into a forward. You can see our guy trying to jump off the trailer in the teal shirt. Here we go, Cap over the trailer, the first boat bounce, the engine hits, and here we're going to see the boat comes over the bunk again, and watch the engine one more time. A little kick on that, and he just literally goes right over the trailer. But I can't believe how fast his buddy jumped into action. I mean, he saw it coming, was like, man, he's going to hit the dock too. Let me run over here. But that's just a wild one. Gotta stay under control, guys. Don't panic when things go wrong. But here's the kicker on this one. We're still not done. We still got to get this boat on the trailer. Our guy's going to have another shot at this, I guess. Talking to the boat behind him. It looks like he's asking them if they're leaving or if they're launching or retrieving. And he's getting off the boat. What in the world? He was asking if they were launching or retrieving. He's going to get the truck. He's not even going to bother messing with it again. He's going to try backing the truck up over here. I can see this one coming already. That's why he was asking if they were staying or going, because if they're going, he's just going to back the truck over there and I guess try and walk this one on. I mean, I guess this is one thing to do. You can always admit defeat if it's not something you got. He did look nervous the whole time. Like I said, they missed one time before that we didn't catch on camera here. We were filming another boat coming in. So maybe his trailering skills are better than his boating skills, and that is the play. Let's put the trailer over there versus bringing the boat over here. Now he looks like he's second-guessing this choice. So there's definitely a conversation of some type going on. I'm wondering if he's telling his buddy, hey, just pull the boat over. Just bring the boat over here. You do it. The boys, they're untying the boat, so something's definitely happening. And I see smoke coming out of the motor, so the motor's still on. They're just backing it up so he can pull the trailer down. I was curious if he was going to try and get one of his boys to do it. Let's see if the trailering skills are a little better than driving the boat onto the trailer. I mean, you can really move it very far over, it doesn't look like. I mean, we're nowhere near the ramp on the other side. It's tough to tell from this angle, though. I mean, he could be closer, I guess, than I'm thinking he is. I mean, it seems like there's quite a bit of distance there, but it might not matter. He might just be like, hey, we'll just push it over and just walk it on. So, our teal shirt guy decides he's going to get in the boat. Once again, the engine was still running, so is he going to bring it over? And there we go. He'll bring it on the trailer for him. I don't know that they're quite deep enough, though. We're really going to have to either power this on, or that's going to be one heck of a winch trying to get this one up there. But I can tell by where the bow's level to the bow stop up front, they're going to need to come back further. And if you guys can't tell, there's a birthday party happening right behind us on a picnic table. So we've got plenty of kids running around back here behind us. We're gonna try and power it up. It's gonna help a little bit. And the guy on the docks telling him, hey bro, you just start turning the winch. Oh man, and Teal Shirt, our hero of the day, is gonna come over here and perform this task as well. And here we are backing it down just a little further also. Starting to gather a little bit of a crowd though. I mean, on top of us watching, there's 6 people standing around watching this happen. Actually, 7 people standing around watching this happen. And he's starting to pull forward now. And there we go. We'll have to finish winching this one on. But this crew should be good to go from here. I think they got it. And they should be good to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.